Hi everyone, I'm Megan.
And I'm Tommy.
Welcome to our channel, your guides to discover, dream, and live Arizona.
Whether you're looking to buy or sell real estate in Arizona, we've got you covered with the best tips and tricks to optimize your experience, working with small rooms.
Before we dive into today's topic, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow and reach more people.
And don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a new video from us. We post weekly tips on real estate, home decor, and living your best life in Arizona.
Today we're diving into something a lot of people struggle with, making small rooms look bigger. So whether you're living in a cozy apartment or trying to sell a home with smaller spaces, these hacks can make a huge difference.
Absolutely. And these are not just for show. They're practical tips that anyone can use. Let's start with the first one.
Number one, you want to use light colors. Light colors on your walls, ceilings, and even your furniture to make a room feel more open and airy. We just recently helped a client repaint their living room in a soft white, and it completely transformed the space.
Yes, and it's not just about white. Light blues, pale grays, or even pastels can work wonders. And speaking of light, that brings us to maximizing natural light.
Keeping your windows clear of heavy drapes and using sheer curtains can let in a lot more light. We had another client who switched out their thick, dark curtains for light, airy ones, and the difference was night and day.
Hack number 3 is all about using mirrors to reflect light and create the illusion of more space. It's one of the simplest yet most effective tricks.
Yeah, mirrors can be like magic. We added a large mirror opposite a window in a small dining room, and it almost doubled the perceived space.
Hack number 4
is to choose multifunctional furniture. We're talking about items like sofa beds, ottomans with storage, or even dining tables that can expand when needed.
We had a client who had a small guest room. We suggested a Murphy bed that folds up into the wall, giving them an office space during the day and a guest room at night. It was a game changer.
Another important hack is to utilize vertical storage, which is hack number 5. Adding shelves or cabinets that go up to the ceiling can really maximize your storage without taking up floor space.
I love this one. We added a tall bookshelf in the client's living room, and it not only provided extra storage, but also drew the eye up, making the room feel taller and more spacious.
And let's not forget about keeping things tidy. Hack number 6 is decluttering regularly. Keeping your space free of unnecessary items can make a small room feel so much larger. It's all about creating that open, clean look.
Hack 7 is about large rugs. A large rug can actually make a room feel bigger because it anchors the furniture and defines the space.
Exactly. A big rug can unify the room, making it feel more cohesive and expansive.
Another great tip to keep furniture off the floor, which is hack 8. Furniture with exposed legs creates a sense of openness and makes the room feel less crowded.
It's true. We swapped out a solid base sofa for one with legs in a client's tiny apartment, and it instantly made the space feel lighter and more open.
Hack 9 is to stick to consistent color palette. This helps avoid visual fragmentation and creates a seamless look throughout the room.
Yes, using varying shades of the same color can make the room feel more unified and spacious. We helped a client use different shades of blue throughout their home, and it really tied everything together.
Finally, hack 10 is to use light and airy fabrics. Light-colored and lightweight fabrics for curtains, furniture, and bedding can help the room feel more spacious.
Exactly. Heavy, dark fabrics can make a room feel closed in, while lighter fabrics keep it feeling open and breezy.
And if you're selling, use these hacks to make your property more attractive to buyers. Small changes can have a big impact on how spacious and inviting your house feels.
We hope you found these tips helpful if you're looking to buy or sell in Arizona. We're here to guide you every step of the way.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and leave us a comment below. Let us know what other topics you'd like us to cover.